Hello, wisdom seekers. This is Mohit, and I would like to welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Mohit Reads. Today, we are going to read another chapter of our book, The Art of Laziness. So, guys, without any further delay, let's get started. The chapter that we are going to read today is that do the hard things first. The chapter starts with a very beautiful quotation which states that the cold water doesn't get warmer if you jump late. Our mind tends to opt for easy options. That's why we need to be conscious enough to choose the best option, no matter how difficult it may seem. That may be hard to do when all we wish for is to relax, zone out, or put things off until another day. Let's face it, who wants to make life difficult for themselves? For example, it's easier to sit on the couch and watch TV than go for a run. It's easy to scroll on social media than to read a book. It's easier to procrastinate than to work hard. Despite what you may be inclined to do, the hardest work you have for the entire day should be done first. No matter how challenging it seems, it needs to be done first. Only when you have completed it, you should allow yourself to do the easy stuff or nothing at all. One way to achieve this is to make a list of all the things you have to do on any given day. Then, pick the hardest and most complicated task and start it immediately. This task is the most important, and although we humans don't like to be uncomfortable, some things need to be done, no matter how testing they are. Hard choices equals easy life. We all want to live an easy life with no worries. A life where we don't have to do anything we would prefer not to. Who doesn't want a life like this? One of complete freedom to do anything they like and not have to force themselves to go through difficulties. The truth is that if you want to have an easy life, you need to make hard choices. There is no reward in life in opting for the easy options. You will only be rewarded for the hard things you can do. Anyone can take the easy route, but it's the hard one that pays off. There is no other way. Easy choices is equals to hard life, and hard choices is equals to easy life. This is a harsh fact of life, and the choice is yours. Make those hard choices to live an easy life, or go for the easy choices and live a hard life. Whenever you are feeling lazy and don't feel like doing the work, think about your future self. Ask yourself, where would you like to be in 5, 10, or 20 years? However, you envisage your future, remember that it starts now, here in the present. The actions you take today will shape how your future is going to look. People do not decide their futures, they decide their habits, and their habits decide their future. A famous quotation said by F.M. Alexander. So, guys, that is all for today. I hope you all would have enjoyed and learned something new. If you want to listen more parts for the same, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until next time, happy reading. This is Mohit Arora signing off. Bye bye.